got a retarded bird trying to mate with itself. Or fight with itself, I'm not sure. He's been at it for a couple of minutes. I just decided to start recording. I doubt that he's gonna break anything. As long as he doesn't shit on my car, I really don't mind him fucking his brain up. Damn, nigga, like, you tried. It's not working. What the fuck was that in the background? Hold the fuck on. I don't know what the fuck that was in the background, but I just saw something in my camera, like some white figure walk past. But then when I look up on the actual fucking, like not through my camera, but when I look up through the fucking not through anything, when I look up past the camera, I didn't see anything walking there. What the fuck was that? I'm gonna turn this off and check out what that was.